Got a brand new video for the YouTube, you guys. This video today sponsored by Budweiser Micheladas. Go to your local mom and pop shop and pick one up. Check this out. So we got the lowrider bike project. We got all the bike. We got the bike painted, flaked out. We got the matte black. We got the chrome. We got the spokes. The seat's gonna get redone. We got the handles on the handlebars. I'm gonna get to assembling this as best as I can today, and I'll show you some updated videos. If not today, tomorrow. Stay tuned for the next episode.